Hello and welcome back. Today we've got another £250 worth of 50p's we're going to have a hunt through. We're looking for commemoratives, ones with more than face value, but ideally one of the many we still need for the book. Kew Gardens is still missing, naturally, and then a whole bunch of Olympics. Outside of the Olympics, we need Mrs. Tittlemouse still, Paddington at the station still, and then there's a slot for the Pride 50p when they start filtering into circulation too. So let's get into this bag and see what we find. First bag then. I'll show you what we're looking for. I can get my hands around it. So that's Britannia. We didn't particularly want Britannias other than the year 2008, which is the low minted year. After 2008, the definitive design changed to the shield like this. So if you get any Britannia's dated after 2008, that's going to be something interesting. Shields, there's a couple of years that didn't circulate that we want to find. 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18 as well. We don't know about 2022 yet. Do we know about 2021? I think we do, yeah, we do. And then 2017 is the low minted circulating year. Other than that, anything commemorative would be wonderful. I'll keep the Britannias and the shields in separate piles just so that at the end of the video I can go through and check for the key dates, because I'm not specifically checking for them as we go through, but if I spot one I will pull it out. Unfortunately, first bag is a case of the diddlies, so what we'll do now is speed up until we find something. Oh, hallelujah, we got something. It's a good one, to be fair though, worth waiting for. It's the 25th anniversary of the UK's entry into the EEC. A little bit over face value, not massively so, but our first find and it's over face value. Super stuff. Oh, Platinum Jubilee. Very cool. Don't mind finding those, I haven't got many. We've got counters tracking a couple of the common coins, some of the uncommon coins, and this one we don't know official mintage figures for yet. We know roughly there could be up to 5 million minted. Whether they will do the maximum or not, we don't know. Won't know until probably a few years down the line when they get released, the mintage figures. Dictionary there, very common. Oh, Paddington. But he's not at the station still. How have we gone this long and not found a Paddington at the station? It blows my mind. It's a common coin. Where are they? I know people keep saying, oh, the trains are on strike. Paddington's enjoying being out in London. That's a girl guiding. So in 2019, to celebrate 50 years of the 50p, a whole bunch of older designs were restruck for collector's sets, and this was one of them. I do think I saw that. That wasn't, it's a 2010 original, but definitely worth checking for. Oh, there we go, Team GB. It's a little bit slower than the find so far. That makes the Team GB a little bit interesting to find. In fact, finding two of them. There we go. Oh, Squirrel Nutkin. It's 2016 Beatrix Potter, a little bit above face value, not massively so. Puddle Duck is the star of the 2016 show. 2018 to be nice to find, especially that Tittlemouse. My favourite of the Beatrix Potters still has not made an appearance. There we go, there's another Beatrix Potter. It's 2017's Peter Rabbit. All the 2017 Beatrix Potters are very, very common. You'll find loads of them. Oh, there we go. Olympic Equestrian. Well, that's taken this hunt from a bit of a pants hunt to a much better hunt. Just to find one Olympic, those little onion rings, is hard enough to do, so we can move this hunt from the bit of a rubbish column into a good hunt. Oh, we've got dictionary there again. What's that going to be? Another Platinum Jubilee. There we go. Two in a hunt, not bad. And that's Victoria Cross, the medals, which again was reissued in 2019. That's a 2006 original circulating one though. There's another go, guys. It's a bit gross, and it's an original circulating one. Oh, 2016, that'll be something. Peter Rabbit. Again, a smidge over face value. Very cool. Obviously the ones I don't put up values for, they are just face value. Ooh. It only takes one coin. It only takes one coin. So, this is the obverse of a Kew Gardens 50p. It is also the obverse of a WWF 50p, which is still a nice coin. It is as well the obverse on the Commonwealth Games 50p. So, can we summon a Kew Gardens? No. Commonwealth Games, very common, sadly. Oh, Taylor of Gloucester. That's another welcome find. Not one we need for the book, sadly. It's Mrs. Tittlemouse we really want, but we can't grumble at the Amount of coins that we have found so far today is leaving somewhat to be desired, but we've got Olympic, now a 2018 Beatrix Potter. We can't really grumble at that, can we? Roger Bannister, will it be a 2019 restrike? Sadly not. Well then, we're on to the last bag of the hunt. I think it's a case today that the common coins just haven't been making an appearance. We've got a few uncommon coins, which is always nice. As ever, links in the description to my coin collecting Discord server if you want to come and join that. Also, there are links to my social medias and the Britannia Coin Company, for whom I work for and make videos for them as my day job. So do please go check that out. Nothing more to be had, so I'm going to check the coins off to the side now, trying not to knock over everything, and see whether we've got any key dates. So, 2 key dates. That is a Britannia from the year 2008, which would be a keeper. And then this is a shield from 2017. Another one we'll be keeping. In terms of our star finds then, because they're still new, the Platinum Jubilee is quite exciting to turn up. I haven't had that many turn up, but the Olympic one again, there's always a good hunt if you find an Olympic. So let me know in the comments what's your favourite coin from today's video. All it leads me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye!